Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Kedar here. So, EA is not working. Check this out. The PlayStation Network is not working as well. Here you can see the PlayStation Network not working. EA is down. Call of Duty is down as well. Madden NFL is not working. Also, Overwatch 2, GTA 5 is down as well. So, this is kind of a serious one. You see the point. Red Dead Redemption 2 is not working as well. The 2K20, the 2K, NBA 2K is not working. Battlefield not working. FIFA not working. NBA 2K is not working. Basically, all the games are down right now. So this is a serious issue, to be honest with you. The down detector page itself tells you the story, which servers are down, why there is a global outage going on. This is a serious one. And check this out, 8,091 outage reports as of right now. I'm doing this video, which is pretty serious one. And here, check this out, guys. As of right now, we are doing this video. Let me refresh right here onto the Twitter. Let's check it out. The latest status, what's really going on. Here you can see 7 minutes ago, what's really going on with the servers. EA is not working. No wonder the EA servers are down. Tons and tons of people are reporting it. Here you can see it for yourself. In fact, guys, I was quite shocked to see what's really going on onto the down detector. Now, guys, honestly speaking, tons and tons of people are reporting, and why there is a global outage going on. This is a serious one. Do let me know which outage are you facing right now for which game, and let help and do help out the community as well. As of right now, the PSN servers are down, and that's the primary issue I can see as of right now. Also, the Rockstar servers are down as well. So let's check it out. What updates do we get? So let's check it out. Any update? Do we got any updates right over here? So alright, so right over here onto the PlayStation Network, well, here you can see no updates specifically. There is a PS5 cloud streaming launching this month, and that's the recent update as of 4 hours ago. Speaking of the PlayStation support, ask PlayStation, do we got any update? Well, let's check it out. Here you can see, guys, discover the accessibility settings, recent tweet. Then right after that, we see this tweet which is not related to the outage report, and as of right now there is no update. Let's check it out. The Rockstar support, do they got any update? Well, here you can see, guys, Rockstar support, neither they got any particular update regarding this one. But guys, definitely we can see many servers are down for all the games. So do let me know which issue are you facing for which game. Once I get any latest details, I'll keep you posted. Make sure to hit that like, share this video, subscribe, and this is Kedar from How to Guys. See you in the next video.